Hello guys, welcome back to my new video that is about QBasic part 2 it is. Okay, I have shown the first part, just check out my channel, you will get it. It is about QBasic part 1 and it is about QBasic part 2. So in this video I will tell you about how to create a coded language using uh, if and then statement. I think so. Wait a minute. So I will tell you about if then with else statement. Okay, so what you can do with if and else statement. First let me show you about QBasic 64. It is a new application I have opened. It is not QBasic or qb.exe, it is QBasic 64. It is the modern QBasic application you can use in your computer. Just you have to go in Google Chrome. Wait a minute guys. So so it is opened. Now you have to search QB64 QB64. Okay. So the page is open. Now I have to get the latest version. So download QB64 version 1.5. So I will click here. It's version 1.5. So I have to go download links. So my processor is 1.5 win into 86 zip, that is 32-bit processor, and 64 zip means 64-bit processor. So I have 32-bit processor, I will download this. So I have given the link in description, just get and download it. Okay, so let's start with QBasic. I will just go in QBasic. This is a file that we have to open. Now it's here is QBasic file. Okay, so I will write CLS. Okay, it's written CLS. The name guys is very dull in full screen mode, so I have to slow it down. Okay. So CLS means clear statement. Okay, so I will show you on the basis of if then with else statement, if statement, else if statement. Okay, so just look it with careful, means very carefully guys. Okay, so I will show you with if then with else statement first. So first input R not it's T, input a number that is input. Okay, enter a number. Okay, it's a very smart application. If you do any mistake, here is the status bar where it will show all the errors and all the mistakes you have done in the coding. Okay, so you have no tension while writing the code. So if there is any mistake or error, it will show here. So because I am not completed the statement, it is showing input statement in syntax error. so it's nothing. If as soon as I will uh, end up my statement, it will show okay, means everything is fine. Okay, so you don't have to worry. See, in my headed line it is saying QB64 into 32-bit. So I will enter a number, will be n. So if n is 0, then it is showing very error. I think I have to give space bar. Okay. Wait a minute, guys. I have to give here space bar, I think. Okay, so I will again give 0 here. Oh, sorry, that's why it is showing 0. Okay, oh, that's what. Then print a positive number. Else, okay. It's again showing error, so I have to clear up my statement. So when it is showing else, I will else print. If there is any wrong statement, it will definitely showing it's showing okay. So I will write a negative number. Okay, it's showing okay. So I am very relaxed. Okay, it's now the end, so I have to run the program. I will click F5 and will be compiled to the previous value. You can change that by clicking. Okay, so it is saying that it will make another exe file. Does that showing? I have to check that file again. So wait a minute, guys, it is creating a. So the file has been opened. It is written untitled. So I have to enter a number. So what the coded program has been saying, it is saying that we have to enter a number, that is input a number, and if n is bigger than 0, then print a positive number, else print a negative number. In previous video I have shown that if n is a number and n is greater than 0, then print a positive number only. I am not shown with else print. Okay, so the video has been very longer and my computer cannot store that much video, so I have to end my video here by showing you. So I have to enter it is a positive number. Okay, so I have to press any key to continue. Again I have to give a 5. So guys, for your confirmation, I will go to my QBasic folder and here it is written, here all the files are written. So my file name was untitled, so I will click here and interface opens. If I want, it can be deleted. I think so. Just wait. Yeah, it can be deleted, but I don't want, because my video is being continued. It is saying that if any number causing 0, okay, so I will write 0, it is a negative number. Okay, so what we can do, I have to do such I realize I want to do something for your satisfaction, that yes, it is a number that can be done. So I will write in such a way, -1. Please give up rating me, guys, because I am writing. So I am making another exe file. Okay. So my exe file has been created, so I want to see once again. I'm going here. Now if there is any mistake, it's a negative number. Yes, we have done it, guys. We have done it. -2 is a negative number, sure. And if 3 okay. 3 5, it is 5. So 105 is a positive number. Thank you, guys. If you have not subscribed my channel until, and if you have not liked, then why are you not doing it yet? Please do it. I am for its thirst only. Please do it, please, guys. So it is not the end, guys. As usual, I am telling the part 3 will also come. Just wait for a few minutes. I know it's been very longing to you. Okay, so give me a time. I will do it. Okay, ending my video. I will give you the link in description to download QB64 per 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks.